Hare Krishna. So wish you a happy and blissful World Meditation Day. What is it, meditation? So it's very interesting thing. Meditate upon means what? Meditate, to focus upon, attention. In Hindi called dhyanaha, chintana. Okay. Manana means manana. So mind, you are regulating the mind. So you are focusing the mind. So mind is compared as, like a water, liquid water. It's always flickering. So we have to meditate so that the mind becomes regulated, controlled. कभी कभी ऐसे ही जस्ट वी से ना कि ध्यान दे दो थोड़ा, जस्ट लुक इनटू दिस एस्पेक्ट. इसलिए कहते हैं नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी. सो व्हेन योर फोकस इज नॉट देयर देन द एक्सीडेंट हैपेंस और एनीथिंग. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू मेडिटेट अपॉन. सो हाउ टू मेडिटेट देन? इट्स वेरी सिंपल. सो there is a nice prayer. I meditate on that Supreme Lord. So meditation can be on the the Supreme Lordship. Bhagavan Krishna जो सुंदर है, is very beautiful. So we can meditate upon the lotus feet of the Lord to get the maximum energy and power and blessings. We can meditate on the Supreme Lord's name. Yes, because that what is it, my focus? Yes. What my intention of meditation? Yes, to focus and bring the mind under control. Because why to bring under control? Is very nice example given is as a tortoise. एक कछुए का उदाहरण दिया जाता है, tortoise. So what does it do? The life is very high for this tortoise, very high. Correct? Tortoise का कछुए का जो life है बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. क्यों? Because yes, he controls and the tortoise meditates upon the Lord, and then after meditating on Lord, it meditates upon the correct. Is very important. So we have to meditate on the Supreme Lord, or you can meditate on the Supreme Lord's name very systematically. So how to do that? Very simple. So it's very important to bring the focus, the renewed energy and the sharpness in your work and the activities. Okay. So what we can do? See, like now, this is I'm meditating. Dhyana, it's called dhyana. In Ashtanga Yoga, the dhyana is a very important aspect. Okay. So let's say. So I'm meditating on the holy name of the Lord now. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So I am meditating on the sound now. Okay, I am meditating on the sound. It's very important. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Like this, slowly chant and hear the name. So minimum 10 minutes meditation is very important. That will get rid of stress, strain, pains, your bodily diseases, anxiety, BP, many 90% of the problems it comes from and that's why in Bhagavad Gita also क्या कहते हैं, Lord Krishna says to Arjuna, क्या कहते हैं, see, tasmad yogi bhava Arjuna, so yogi bano. So you start meditating on the Supreme Lord and on the holy name of the Lord and Leela of the Lord. So let's go for that. And then here also it is said, very nice example given again in the Bhagavad Gita. You can see here, same here are the meditation. Yes, you can see this. Yes, so same here. This is the page where the mind is like a steering. It is said is a connecting between the wheel and the intelligence. Steering. So as you rotate the steering, जैसा ही स्टीयरिंग घुमाओगे जिस डायरेक्शन में उस डायरेक्शन में आप जाओगे. So mind is very critical and very important. Okay, so work on mind and have a blissful and happy meditation day, and every day let's have a meditation day. Okay, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Jai.